This tutorial will show you how to use the virtual tour technology to maximize your experience. At the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click an image to visit your first home. On each of the project pages, you'll find the virtual tour in the box at the top of the page. To begin, click the play button. Most virtual tours begin by showcasing the home in a dollhouse format. For an automated tour experience, click the play button to be navigated through the home automatically. You can pause the automated tour at any point by clicking on the pause button. To stay in a space, use your mouse and cursor to navigate. Click on any point in the room to be taken closer to it. Or, to pan your view around the room, click and hold your mouse button while you drag your mouse to the left or right. Use the highlight reel at the bottom of the page to skip to a different portion of the home. Pay attention to the green circles found periodically throughout many of the homes. These tags provide pop-up information about a particular product, finish, or project partner involved with design. Hover over the green circle to pull up the content box, then click on it to view it in full. You may also wish to use some of the functions and tools shown to the right of the play button, including returning to the dollhouse view, viewing the floor plan, and selecting a floor to visit, as well as measuring an item within a space. Now that you're able to maximize your tour experience, we encourage you to begin, and we hope you enjoy your experience.